I was just thinking, do you know how you can tell that a relationship is good for you, or if you or this person is a good mate? If you're around a person that's good for you, they gonna improve you. Whatever situation you was in, you should be in a better situation after dealing with them for a certain period of time. And this goes for friendships. This goes for relationships with females or with males, vice versa. So a lot of times people will say, "Oh man, I'm with so and so for so many years, this and this," and neither of them is doing any better. Their ass been doing bad since they started. I don't think y'all should be together. Then you got another relationship over here. They've been together a year or two, and they've been accomplishing shit. She done got better, he done got better. That's a good relationship. That's good bonding because both of them respect one another and they're giving input and it strengthens one, and one is weak in the area and the other one is strong, and they trade. They say, okay, you weak over here, I'm strong over here, but I'm weak over here. Let's straight to sit around and let's get better. That's a good relationship. That's how you invest in one. Hold on.